Hello makers. Today in the mail I received a new toy. This is one that I would have liked to have had a few weeks ago when I was recording the video for the Raspberry Pi setup with my Robot Lab. So this is a USB 3 game capture live streaming video capture device. It's USB 3, has a mic input, has an input HDMI and an output HDMI. Now by all account this thing will take a 4K video signal in and record a 1080p 60 frame video stream out. See how it goes. So in the box we've got a USB-C to USB 3 adapter, handy if you have USB-C. We have the USB 3 to USB 3 male-to-male cable, which we'll need to connect to the computer. We have a set of instructions, and it looks like it's English on one side and Chinese on the other. This device doesn't have any driver discs with it. It's supposed to work on Windows and work on Linux. And they've actually got instructions on setting it up with OBS Studio, which makes sense since OBS Studio is used for live streaming in most cases. Okay, so let's fire it up and see how it looks. As a video source I'm going to use a Raspberry Pi, and I've already got a micro SD card that I can use for that Raspberry Pi. Where did I put that Raspberry Pi? Okay, so I will record some video. This is going to be the output. This goes to one of my monitors. And I need another video HDMI card cable. Okay, so if all goes well, that should be right to just fire up. Okay, so I've plugged the Raspberry Pi into power and I have this recording. The audio is coming from my desk microphone and not from the device or the Raspberry Pi. Now the capture software is telling me it's recording at 30 frames a second. It's not actually telling me what resolution it's recording as. But looking at the clarity of it on the large screen, it does look like it's recording at 1080p. So this looks like it's working very well compared to the last one I tried, which was SD recording with a HD input. So this unit is supposed to be taking a 4K input, or up to a 4K input, but recording at 1080p. Alright, so we'll say it works very easy. Setup was extremely easy, literally plug and play. It worked first go. It gave me the option in the video recording software to select a 1080p source. And it is giving me 30 frames a second. I think that's the limit of this recording software. I don't think it does 60 frames a second at 1080p. It didn't give me an option for 60 frames, but it did give me two 1080p options at 30. So I suspect one of those would normally be at 60. We'll call that a wrap on this video. It's only a short one. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe, click on the like and the notification icon, and consider supporting me in Patreon. There'll be a link in the description, and we'll see you on the next video.